Hi, good afternoon, everyone. My name is Jyoti Roy, and today I'm going to show like how to use the VLOOKUP as well as the index match function in a following set of data. So you can see here that this data comprises of the athlete name, the BIB number, the event, the route, and the position. And by side, you can see here that there is separate cells for athlete, BIB number, route, and position. So our main motive is that whenever we import an athlete name out here, the BIB number, the root and the position of the particular name of the individual or the particular name of the athlete is being depicted out here or being shown out here, right? So for the athlete, let's do one thing. Let's go on to data. It's already in data, yeah. So let's click on the data validation, and there is a drop down option out here. So yeah, we are clicking on data validation, and you can see in allow there is any value, right? So let's change it to list. And source, you can see here they're asking for the source. So the source is the athlete name. So let's select the athlete names. So yeah, we have selected the athlete names. Let's click on OK. Now we can see that all the name of the athletes are being shown here, and we don't need to manually input the names of the athletes out here. It's very convenient for us right now. So moving on to our next, that is a BIB number. I'm thinking of using the VLOOKUP. So yeah, equals to VLOOKUP. Yeah, VLOOKUP. So lookup value is the athlete names. So yeah, this is the lookup value, comma. The table array, that is the whole of the tables that we are selecting, like from starting from the athlete names, BIB number, events, route, and position. So let's select the whole of the table. That is done, comma, the column index number. So if you see here, the column index number for BIB number is 2. That is, it's present in the second position, right? So let's click on 2, comma. The range value, you can see here there are two range values, that is true and false. For true, it is approximate value, and for false, it's the exact match, right? So it's obvious that we want the exact value or the exact match, not the approximate match, right? So let's click on the exact match. So now let's close the bracket, and you can see that by default, I have selected the Tanner Claire name out there for the athlete. So let's input out here. I can see that the BIB number for the athlete Claire Tanner, for the Claire Tanner, is 1789. So that's the number out here. You can see automatically the number has been inputted as 1789. So let's move on to the next function, that is a root. So let's use the index function out here. So equals to index, open brackets. So you can see here the index is present in the D column, right? So let's choose the reference, that is the D column. So I have selected the D, comma. Let's use the match, match, comma. So you have to select the athlete names, right? We're using the athlete and that is lookup value to the H3 cell. So I have selected the H3. This has to be separated by the dollar symbol. So yeah, we have separated that. Comma, we have to select the lookup array. So we are using the lookup array as the athlete name. So that is the A column. So let's select the A column out here. Now we have to separate this as well with the dollar symbol. So we are doing that, comma. Okay, sorry, that's an error. Comma. Match type. So match type you can see here less than, exact match, and greater than. So it's obvious that we want the exact match which is written in the root, right? So that is 0. So we have selected the exact match, opening the brackets. Let's enter. So you can see automatically the route for the particular athlete is being shown out here. Is the east loop. So same goes for the position. So let's do one thing, since it's the same formula for the index function. Let's just drop down this out here. Now you can see here it's showing east loop, right? So for this, since we have selected the uh, reference as D for the root, now since it's the position, so we have to select E because the position is present in the E column, right? So let's select E. So E. Sorry. So yeah, the column has been selected. So let's enter this, and this and the corresponding position of the particular athlete is automatically been depicted here. So yeah, you can see. So this is how we use the VLOOKUP, the index match functions for the following set of data. Now, since this is not in a tabulated form, we can do one thing, that we can select this particular cell in a table form, right? So let's convert this to a table, right? So yeah. So it looks more organized out here, right? So yeah, that's all. So let's do an example. Suppose let's select Lisa page out here. So if I click on Lisa page, automatically the BIB number, the route, and the position of the particular athlete is being shown here, and it's very convenient to use right now. Like you can directly select the name out here, and the data for the particular person will automatically being shown out here, right? So that's all. Now we need to save this data. So let's go to home. Let's click on save as. Uh, so I have to save this data as my name, that is Jyotirmoy Roy, with my roll number, that is the BM number, that is BM 25059. So yeah, let's save this to the download function, and we have to in the download location, and the file format all will in be in Excel, right? Excel format. So yeah, let's save this now. So the following data has been saved. So yeah, this is all about the function of VLOOKUP as well as the index match function. So yeah, thank you so much everyone, and have a wonderful day ahead.